Oh, what do we have here? Today we have abusive husband bullies wife in front of police. Bad idea.
On March 1st, 2026, officers were dispatched to a domestic disturbance after a woman called 911, reporting that her husband was destroying the home while she and an 8-year-old child were inside. According to the police report, the caller warned he possibly had access to a gun in the residence. Officers made contact with the suspect, who initially agreed to leave voluntarily, but returned shortly after.
Thing until you went back to your bedroom and started yucking shit around and yelling. That's when I literally said, oh, we're gonna throw shit then, instead of talk.
I tried talking multiple times.
You tried blaming me.
No, I did not once. I said what I said. The only blame that I did was last night.
So I got a question, right? You and your wife getting into it, girl, baby mama, whoever. She's already yelling, going crazy. You think it's okay to fight negativity with more negativity? That situation is going to get 10 times worse, bro. And all y'all are doing is exposing y'all's child to this bullshit, and you showing her this is how men treat a woman. And this is the effect, or this is the impression that you want to leave on your child. I don't get this. The baby is right there. Why are you yelling, bro? Like, come on, man.
Whenever you said that I did not have a fever, whenever I obviously did.
I know. And I obviously made a joke saying that my 99 was a fever. Just joking with
Well, I
you.
don't know how
You can tell he's an asshole already.
that turned into this.
Because you started throwing shit, getting pissed off because you wanted me to cuddle you instead of get coffee ready or whatever.
I just don't know.
I literally got you medicine ready, made you coffee. No, I'm not gonna sit
in
there.
the back bedroom for an hour by myself.
We haven't even been up for an hour.
I've been up since 9 o'clock.
I got up before you.
Did y'all hear that baby sigh? She has been through this. This is not her first rodeo. And this is so heartbreaking to see this type of shit, bro.
There in bed, waiting for you to get up. You know, doing the thing like you just said, trying to hold the room for you. Hey, you guys hang out for a minute. I gotta wait for an Uber.
Yeah, that's fine, man. Like I said, we just don't want this to escalate. It's already bad enough.
I don't understand why even it's going as far as it did.
You
Let's
don't?
stop. No, I don't, man.
How you gonna tell her to stop when you causing her emotional damage? You are really a piece of shit.
No, I don't.
Okay.
No, I don't know how the we get to this point.
You know, I get, like, see, when women yell and scream is one thing, but when a man screams in front of children, bro, it scares the living shit out of them. Because why? Men are more scarier than women.
Wait, when someone's just saying, no, I don't. No, I don't know how we get to this when me and her don't ever even fight.
Me neither.
And then here you are.
Screaming at me only
I was-
Lexi, you been raging about the house all morning.
I was up for like an hour.
You just
Anytime somebody can do all of this yelling in front of a child, and man, look, I don't do no arguing in front of my kids, bro. Like, me and my ex, hey, look, you got something to say, take that shit to the room. Look, you feel me? Like, we not finna do this in front of them.
you
And I
just
wasn't raging. I wasn't even upset or yelling. I started laundry and went back to the back bedroom.
yeah, you're right.
I got a towel with cat.
Poor baby, look over there. She over there hyperventilating and shit. Instead of comforting her and letting her know it's okay, he just whatever.
On it right on the way road.
I picked that up. Remember? And I cleaned the floor. Great. Now your mom's here, Lexi. Good call. Why did you do all that?
Do you see this?
Do you see you? Did you see what you did? $60 to get to your mom's house.
Really? I'll pay for it.
Lexi, stop.
What?
What do you mean, what? Why on earth did we end up here?
Why is he approaching her with the officer inside with his child right there? What is wrong with bro?
No.
No, you do know. Why on earth do you end up calling on them and calling your mom? No, you threw a bunch of shit around and then started a huge
Justin,
fight, man.
We're done, man.
No, we're not. I'm
I
talking.
said we're done.
I said
Knock
I'm
this shit off.
talking. You're in my house.
I don't.
Bro, you're doing all of that yelling in front of your child, bro. You don't see the emotional damage you're causing?
Give a shit.
I do.
You're done. You're about to go in handcuffs. You need
For
to leave.
what?
Dude,
For
I'm
what?
not gonna stand here and argue with you.
For
I
what?
told you to leave.
No, yeah, I am in my home.
You are
Nah.
not gonna stand here and be
I'm
with
going
her
to
and
talk to
argue
my
with
wife
her
all I
yourself.
want.
W cop, bro. Cause come on, bro. You can't be arguing with you like this in front of the child, bro.
You're done. You're gonna leave.
No, I'm not.
Yes, he
This
is.
is my house.
You need
This
to
is my
leave,
house.
It doesn't.
My
Look
house.
at this. Look at her.
Exactly, so get the out there.
Justin.
That's not gonna.
Yeah, you called them. They can leave. Nah,
I'm
bro,
not
you ain't
leaving.
gonna start trying to stand
Dude, don't
up on
square
me,
up
man.
like that.
Then don't square
Don't do
up
it.
on me.
Don't do
Why
it.
did you do this?
Just call him.
Don't
Why
do
did
it.
you? Nah, bro,
Come
look,
back
I'm not leaving.
Come back in here.
Yeah.
Justin.
Oh yeah, he's definitely a mental patient. He definitely wants to smoke because it's no way I could be acting like this in front of my baby. I love my baby with all my heart. And before I get to tripping like this, yeah, I just need to leave. Like, and I wouldn't mind leaving at all, bro.
Justin.
Really?
Yeah, you're in my house.
Justin.
I've asked you to come back
I'm
in
telling
here
you I ain't
because you're in
leaving.
her face screaming.
I'm not
She's
in her
called
face
us.
screaming.
You need to go.
No, I don't. You already told me 2 seconds ago, this is your guys' thing. I'm getting my shit.
Right, and now
I'm
you're not
calling my
listening to me,
Uber.
and I'm trying to
Because
stop
I don't
this
have
and
to f***ing leave.
Now
I can
you
talk
do.
if I
Now
want.
you
No,
do.
I don't.
Then put your hands behind your back. You're under arrest.
For what? For
Put your
what?
hands behind your back, dude.
For what, though? What am I
See?
I said put your hands behind your back, bro. Come on, man. Are you serious?
And why is mom not even taking the baby into another room? Andy Tate, for real, what's up, man?
Put your hands behind your back now. Now. Stop.
Look at that, bro. Your baby in the background going crazy, sound like a whole little demon and shit. That's not what's up, bro. That's some weak as fuck.
You guys are up my ass.
Don't grab my hand, dude.
Yeah, because you're sitting there yelling at her. Wow. The child is right there, bro.
Unbelievable.
Exactly.
Very.
It is unbelievable.
Very.
Foot on my ass, bro.
Stay there.
Come on, dude.
I'm trying to fix it, man.
Come on, dude. That's killing me, man.
What's killing you?
I'm trying to double lock it, man.
I'm locked in, man.
I don't want it to cinch up on you if you move.
Yeah,
Do it when I go outside. Roll on
those cuffs always know how to calm somebody down, bro.
your side.
Give me a second.
I'm trying to get you up and help you, dude.
I can get up. You put
Then
me
get up.
I'm walking.
Something tells me that this is not his first rodeo, bro.
I don't want you to walk. I want you to turn around.
You already did that.
No, I checked you for weapons. Now I'm searching you.
Right, like I told you before. Because I'm not up on no bullshit. Will you
Did I tell you to move?
No, he did not. Somebody want to get shot.
around, dude?
Then quit turning around.
Trying to
turn around.
We don't want you to. We said to stand still.
Stay there. Do not move. Simple instructions.
Stop.
Simple instructions.
Why are we going through this? You're in my house where I was talking, where
For
I
now.
can.
What did I say?
What did I
Stop turning around.
There's no reason
Mental house.
for you to be acting this way.
Yes, it is.
There is. You're in my house calling. I can't. Will you
Stop!
stop, dude.
Stop moving.
Hello.
Not that hard.
It really is not.
Maybe if you were pinned against the wall, you would
Yeah, I'd
understand why you want to get the off of it.
I would stand still and let us do our business
Two grown
and
ass
then
men
get off the
pushing
wall.
me against the wall for what?
Because you can't follow simple fucking
Because
instructions.
there's no instruction to be given. I'm in my own home.
Stand here.
I
And don't
am.
move. That's the instruction.
Why can't
Right
I won't?
here.
I'm tired of being on a wall.
Well, too bad.
Why don't you?
Hey, it's always funny to me how people who got all these demands and all these requests once they in handcuffs, sir. You are no longer in control, bro. You are going to jail. You are a criminal.
Book bag off.
I don't think they understand that shit.
Which I was trying to do the whole time.
Well,
It's too late to apologize.
we're here because of you, not me, not
Facts.
him. Because of you.
Big facts.
So now we got to deal with it. And we
Big
will.
facts.
It wouldn't have if you would have just left.
Yeah.
Because I waited for an Uber. You
Yeah.
watched me put in for
Stop
the Uber.
turning around.
Why can't I just look at you when I speak to
I
you?
don't need to see you. I can hear you. I've seen you enough.
I've seen you enough too.
Yeah, I bet.
I know. I take one step back.
No.
Please, it's all I need. I was trying.
Come on. Come on.
Can this come off?
What?
The bag.
We'll get the bag off.
Like, it can just stay, and we don't need to bring it into the...
I'll leave it here.
Okay,
Come on.
try and get it off.
What do we got?
It's my phone, man. Quit pushing me. I can
I'm
walk.
not pushing you.
Bro, I would have been slapped the shit out of him. I ain't gonna lie to you. I would have. Pow!
You are pushing me
Whoopsie!
now.
pushing
I
you.
know how to walk. Stop.
I'm not pushing you.
You're pushing, and you
No, I'm
can
not.
stop.
You can walk.
I am walking. Will you
Walk,
stop?
dude. Quit showing your ass. You put on a show.
Who's putting on a show?
You are,
Look
bro.
at you. Shoving me. God damn.
Beth thought police.
You have me cuffed. I can walk.
Take a step back.
See? I'll listen without all that pushing. Can you get that off? Here, I'm not gonna go anywhere. Not running. I'm fucking fat.
No.
That was the realest shit he just said all this whole time on the cam.
You're not running anywhere.
What the is that supposed to mean? I'm trying to be.
That I'm not worried about you running. That's what it means. I'm not worried about you running.
He don't give two fucks. That's pretty much what he just said. Told
Hold
you.
on your phone. I'll give it back to you. Can you reach it? I'll get it.
And your cuff key's on the floor.
I see it. You want this
Oh, he's such a nice guy. Your cuff keys are on the floor.
left here?
I just didn't want to have to bring it up to jail.
All right, he wants to leave this here. I'm not sure, sweetie. Probably not for long, okay? He'll be okay. I got this for him. So, he's going to be going to the jail. He's going to be on a hold at least until tomorrow. He'll see a judge in the morning and he'll probably be released. So, I'm going to leave you with some paperwork, like I discussed. But, like I said, this isn't going to get any better.
No, it's only gonna get worse. Especially with you calling the cops and shit on him, he's gonna have way more fuel for the fire now.
It's only going to get worse.
It is.
So however you go about that is your business. But just keep that in mind, and I'll leave you some paperwork, okay? Give me just a minute. Here's this. It's information on how to obtain an order of protection.
She need a black and mild to be dealing with all that shit, boy. That's a lie.
You
Yeah.
needed to do that before? Okay. If you decide to do that, you need to go up to the Madison County Courthouse, okay? Tell them that you're there to file for an order of protection. Somebody will walk you through it. Basically, you're going to have to go through an affidavit. You have to fill out an affidavit, explain to the judge why you feel it's necessary for the order to be granted, why you need to be kept safe. On the list, on the back here, there's a list of resources available to you. Should you need any of that stuff, I don't know if you will or not. There's legal aid listed here, other victim services, and then a list of your rights as a victim down there at the bottom. He's not being charged with anything domestic related. Okay, that's just why we were called here. So I'm going to give that to you, and however you go about it, if you choose to address it, then that's how I go about it.
Hello.
No problem.
Have a better Sunday.
Hey, I'm sorry that went the way that it did. I think we agree we would have liked for him to have left. But we are where we are.
You gotta know when to cut it, bro. You got to know when to let it go, bro. Sometimes, what's that song? You gotta know when to hold him. Know when to hold him. If he would have just left, he wouldn't even got fucking arrested.
Can't control everything.
No, and I'm sorry that your daughter had to see that. I appreciate you getting her out of there as quickly as possible. I hate for her to see that. I will have to contact DCFS. Okay, have you ever had any contact with DCFS before?
Yeah.
Okay. Like I said, he wasn't charged with anything domestic related. You're not in any trouble or anything like that, but anytime that they're witness to something like what took place as to why we were called here, coupled with what happened after that, they're going to have to come in and check in with you, even if it's to provide you with some resources or whatever, but somebody will come out.
Okay. They'll give me a call usually, right?
They'll probably come and knock on the door, but they may reach out to your phone first,
Okay.
make sure everything's your home and all that stuff, but somebody will definitely be out, I'm sure.
All right, thank you.
No problem. Anything else I can do for you? Okay.
Boy.
Take care.
The man was charged with 2 counts of resisting or obstructing a peace officer and aggravated assault of a law enforcement officer. He was transported to the county jail, where he was served with misdemeanor complaints the following day and issued a court date. The incident was also reported to the Illinois Department of Child and Family Services.
Thank you guys for tuning in. Shout out to all my supporters. I love you. And that's it, baby. We out.